Question number 9. A brook is made with silver wire. This is some ornamental type of thing which is used in dressing as a pin type of thing by the badge type of thing by the ladies. Now this brook is made out of silver wire and it is in the form of a circle, and in between it has 5 diameter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diameters are there. They are asking us to find the total length of the silver wire required. That is the first subdivision. Total length of silver wire required. Now you can see that the silver wire is used to make the circumference of the circle and the 5 diameters. So that is going to be equal to circumference plus 5 diameters. Now the formula to find circumference is 2 pi r plus 5 times the diameter. Substituting the values, we are going to have 2 into 22 by 7. Diameter is 35 millimeter, so the radius is going to be half of that, that is 35 by 2 millimeter, plus 5 into diameter, that is 35. So this is going to be, you can cancel this 2 and this 2. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35. 22 into 5 is going to be 110, plus 5 5s are 25, carry 2, then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So when you add this 2, the total is going to be 5 8 2. So 285 millimeter is the total length of silver wire required to make that brook. Now next thing they are asking is the area of each sector of the brook. You can see that this is one sector of the brook. Like this there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 sectors. So they are asking us to find area of each sector of the brook. Area of each sector is going to be equal to, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. 360 degree, it is divided into 10 sectors. So each angle theta is going to be 36 degree. So we have 36 by 360 into 22 by 7. The radius is going to be half of diameter. So we will have 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Now when we cancel, 136 is 36 10 times. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35. 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22. Then that is all we can cancel. So we are having 11 into 5 into 35. 11 into 5 is 55. So we will write 55 into 35 divided by 20. That is going to be, so the answer is 96.25. The answer is 96.25 millimeter squared.